3 ingredients are going in our bowl. We have a pound of ground chicken, we have some feta cheese, and the Greek seasoning made by Fire and Smoke Society. Let's mix it up. If your feta is too big, just kind of mix it on in. And then we are gonna take little pieces like meatballs and roll them on up. About like that. I have little tomatoes here. I'm gonna take my Spaceman Dark Matter utility knife that cuts like butter, and I'm gonna cut up these tomatoes slicely, slice thinly. Oh my goodness. This smell vision is already happening because I can completely smell this Greek seasoning. It's so good. So place your little balls on the hot griddle here. We're about to smash them down and make mini smash burgers. So I have a keto hack. I have the Carb Smart Hawaiian rolls. We're gonna use about 6 of these, cut them in half, toast them on up. These are finishing up. They're getting done. Let's pull them on off until our buns are toasted. Hotter than Hades out here.
And hey, 2 thumbs way up for our leading lady.
We're in this
What a dish.
wave galore.
What a doll.
Who doesn't want a good, cool Greek burger right now?
I thought you used the fan to cool off, not the neighbor's pool boy.
That ego sure does look good right now. The pool boy's over there. For our sliders, we're layering these bad boys up. We are doing our tzatziki sauce, some lettuce, tomato, and double stacking these little sliders here. That's that burger upgrade that you were looking for. This Greek style is perfect. Keto, and should be at your next barbecue. I'll see you guys back next week.